Trinidad and Tobago's Commonwealth Games 100 meters champion Michelle Ahye has been provisionally suspended for anti-doping violations, the Athletics Integrity Unit revealed on Thursday. The Trinidadian sprinter, who was sixth in both the 100 and 200 meter finals at the Rio Olympics in 2016, is the second high-profile sprinter to encounter a whereabouts rule violation recently after American Christian Coleman. Ahye was sixth again in the 100 meters at the World Championships in London in 2017. That's the final, but is likely to miss this year's championships, which starts in Doha on September 27. The IAU said that Ahye has been provisionally suspended since August 30 while it investigates a whereabouts failure. Athletes are required to report their daily whereabouts in advance to allow for unannounced doping control. In the event of 3 breaches in less than a year, they risk a 2-year suspension. Last week, American Coleman, one of the favorites for the men's 100 meters in Doha, was cleared after being charged with a similar offense because under the rules, his 3 violations had not all happened in the same 12-month period.